Hey cousins, so I'm on my way to the gym. That's why I'm looking like this, but I wanted to stop in and give you guys an unboxing of this unit that I received from LuvWin. The presentation of the packaging is giving, it's like a suede material, so I'm here for it. Let's see what's inside. We love some cheetah print. We got a headband, coupons, a bonnet, stocking cap. Oh, okay, the gifts keep giving. There are some eyelashes that's actually wearable. Okay, LuvWin, I see you. And then a good old edge brush. Okay, then we have some elastic band that you can sew into your units. And since we all know everybody's kind of transitioning into the glueless era, and I think it's kind of getting me, you know, it's going to be moments where I glue my units down, and it's going to be moments where we do the glueless method. But this is the unit. It's a 14-inch body wave bob with highlights, as you can see. Okay, the inside cap construction comes with a good sturdy adjustable band, and then it has 3 combs in the front and then 1 comb in the back. It does not have those adjustable hooks, but this elastic band will cover that. I am so excited. The knots look like they're bleached, and I love that the lace is like a off brown color instead of like a stark white. Let's see how the hairline is looking. No chemical smell, and we love that. Okay, LuvWin, I'm going to show you guys how the hairline looks when I get back from the gym, but so far so good. I thought I was going to wash this unit, but we're going to do a straight out the packet install. If you guys want to see how that goes, make sure you stay tuned. I applied some foundation to the inside of the lace so it can blend with my skin tone. Look at that hairline. It's pre-plucked and ready to go. This wig is definitely beginner friendly. Like I said, this is 14 inches. It has HD lace, 180% density, and it is a 13x4 lace wig. The knots are small, and once again, do you see that pre-plucked hairline? Perfect for beginners. Anyone who wants a wig that is glueless and they can practically just throw it on and go, LuvWin has it covered for you. I'll be sure to link all of LuvWin's information down below in my description box, along with all the wig details for the wig that I am wearing. And y'all are going to see how effortless it is to install this unit. Y'all know that my hands touch all types of hair. This bob, this highlighted bob, is speaking to me. Y'all know I'm a curly hair girl, so just serving this look with this unit, it did something to my spirits. We're gonna play around more with different textures and styles. Y'all gonna have to let me know down below how you guys feel about this unit. If you follow me on my other social media platforms such as Instagram or TikTok, then you know I've been in the gym more. Being in the gym could be very hard to achieve when you're gluing your wig down. So we love a good glueless wig, especially right now since it's summertime. When you're sweating and residue from wig adhesives, it just don't go all the time. You know what I mean? It's a time to look cute with your wig laid down with adhesive, and it's a time for a good glueless moment. And I love that this wig can be styled glueless. Now, if you wanted to adhere it down, you definitely could, but why do all that? Just plop it on, adhere it down, like melt the lace in your skin with a little bit of mousse. If you couldn't tell, I have like the slightest amount of my natural edges out with this unit. So my wig is like a quarter of an inch behind my hairline. And I feel like it looks natural. And I love doing this method with my curly wigs. And like I said, it works perfect for the gym or the hot summer days or vacation, because sometimes when you're on vacation you do not have time to be fooling with no glue. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm going in and getting the lace together. I could have plucked it a little bit, but once I added my foundation into the lace, I feel like it looked really natural. I decided to go in and add some face framing layers and watch how this wig comes to life. Is she giving warty? Is she giving grown and sophisticated? Yes, I'm loving it. And do y'all see that? 100% glueless. No adhesive. You see it. You see it. No got to be glued gel. No spray. Absolutely 100% glueless. And get into this density. 180% density. 14 inches, a nice everyday summer bob. And the highlights is definitely the star of the show. If you guys are interested in checking out LuvWin, they will not let you down. I'll have all their information linked down below in my description box. Be sure to check there, give me a thumbs up, and be sure to share this video with all my grown and sexy divas out there who would love to slay this unit. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.